You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this word? This is French for Cyprus, the island in the Mediterranean. So let's see how we say it in France. In French, we say it as Chypre. Chypre. Okay, so CH is pronounced like SH in French, you know, like chic, for example. Chypre. If you cannot pronounce the French R, you can say it as Chypre. Chypre. Yeah, that's fine. Chypre. It's easy. Now you know. You got it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.